With the integration of Apple CarPlay, Kia offers hands-free access to many smartphone features. In this video, we'll show you how to make and return phone calls using Apple CarPlay. To initiate a call, start by selecting Apple CarPlay from the home screen. Then select the phone icon.
Who would you like to call?
If you don't respond to Siri, then you'll see the phone interface screen, which looks and functions much like a normal iPhone display. Now you see 5 basic phone features to choose from: Favorites, Recents, Contacts, Keypad, and Voicemail. Swipe the screen to scroll up and down through the list, or you can scroll through the list quickly using the letters on the right. Just hold and move up and down. Touch the contact name or number to initiate a call. Returning a call? Just as easy. Select the Recents option from the phone menu. Scroll to the call you wish to return and tap the name or number. Here again, the interface is very similar to what you would normally see on the iPhone. You can access voicemail and keypad functions in the same manner we just covered. Complete iPhone integration, and that includes Siri voice activation features. Simply use the steering wheel controls and voice commands to access Siri. Siri, call home.
Calling home.
And the steering wheel controls can also be used to answer incoming calls and end calls. Making and returning calls with Apple CarPlay, an integrated solution for your Kia and your smartphone. For more information, check your car multimedia system user's manual or the Quick Start Guide hang tag that came with your new Kia. Thanks for watching.